Hi, I'm James from British Customs. Today we'll be installing these passenger peg block-offs on this 2022 Triumph Street Twin. The first thing we need to do is to pull off this little clip, little flathead screwdriver or pick, just to get under there, do the trick. And push this pin up. You got a little ball on a spring there that you don't want to lose. Just keep your hand underneath it. You need your 6mm hex bit, 12mm wrench. So you're going to put the block-off plate with the screw back through the hole. Take the nut that you took off earlier, put it on the back of the screw with your 5mm hex and 12mm wrench. Okay, 5mm hex, 12mm wrench, torque to 24 Newton meters. Do the same on the other side. Okay, first thing we need to do is remove the clip. Remove the pin. Remove the peg. 6mm and 12mm. Install the block off. Install the nut. $5mm and 12mm wrench. Your 5mm hex, 12mm wrench, 24 Newton meters. And the installation is complete.